All right, guys, we got a 2022 Can Am Outlander XMR. Beautiful machine. There's your little buddy Tigger. We have a winch that is not working, and I'll show you exactly what it's doing. So you can hear the clicking. So we're gonna put a new winch in. We've got the new Can Am winch right here, 3,500 pound. They gave us all this stuff. I don't need it all, so I probably should have paid attention to that when we got it and just ordered what we needed. All we really have to do is take our hook off. Once this piece comes off, up underneath, right here, okay, you have a T40 star bit, okay, and on the back side you have a 13 mil nut. Now what that's going to do is going to take this whole plastic piece off, and we have 4 bolts right up underneath to get this winch off. We will have to disconnect these 2 wires, and that's about all that's running this winch. So we will disconnect those from the battery first, and that will get us off. To get that wrench right up in there. I always like to keep everything together. A nice little handy dandy little bucket. Alright, so that plastic piece is loose here. Alright, so now we need to get these guys off. We've got our 15 wrench back up in there, if you can see. Let's go. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are star bolts right here. And it is loose enough to get up underneath there to where we do not have to take this whole thing off. I'm just going to take this wood and prop it up like that. So now we can get at these. It's probably the same T40, and it is. We are going to disconnect the positive. There we go. We're going to go ahead and disconnect these 2 here, which I assume look like 10 mil, and they are a 10 mil. Alright, that's disconnected. Oh, looks like there might be something in there. What the heck? Well, we'll go over here to the new winch in the box and check it out. Alright, well, if you look at the design of this, let's go check it out. That nut should be not spinning. It's got a little bar in there holding the nut in, and it's squared off. So it looks like they dropped the nut in and they put a pin in right there to hold the nut. So they really don't know why it's spinning. Yeah, that one came out. That one came out. That one is stripped somehow. So We banged the screwdriver up in there to see if that would get that nut out there. Let's see what happens. I don't know. We're gonna have to grind this top off. Well, here comes the fun part. Got the grinder. Eye protection, of course. Air protection, of course. Get that head off. And yes, I do know cutting like that would be much easier. But I don't want sparks in my face and all over my body, so just don't want to jeopardize the structure of that. Man, come on. There it goes. You. All right. Okay. All right. Old winch out. Yeah, baby. That's right. That's how we do it. Now we're just gonna slide a new one in and bolt it down. Slide this guy right in there. There it is. This thing.
Put all the earplugs back in.
We have the new bolts here. 15s. Gotta line those up. There's the first one. Alright. That's the second one.
Alright, we're gonna go do some nachos.
Alright. Alright, the new one is a 13. Yep. Alright. That one's in. Okay. Our electric grease on all electrical. Okay. Get the first one on. Second one on. I'll go ahead and tighten these up. That guard. Now we are gonna test it. So I'm gonna reconnect our battery terminals. Still have some dielectric grease on the gloves. Now, let's make sure that it was just the winch and nothing electrical. So, I'm gonna turn it on, give ourselves some powers. Ah! Listen to that. All right. So, like I said, we don't have to replace the electricals. We're just gonna leave it all. No sense replacing all this stuff if we don't need to. All right, so there are a couple things I wanted to show you that I missed. One, the boot fell off, so we are going to slide that back on real quick. Also, when we're putting these back together, there is a little washer, and see how that hole is really big? That one's really small. The washer stayed in this one, and you can see it on the screws. Let's see here. This one, the washer came out, but you need that washer over here on this side. Make sure you have those washers on there. Yeah, find a starting point of that nut there. Here it is. Just get it straight. Here it is. All right, so we got that one started. Push this through here. All right, here now. Pull that. Now I just need you to line that with your fingers. Hold it right about there. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's start it. Find the hole. Always name the game, right, babe?
That's what she said.
So now, that's that side. This one, if I can find it. Hey. We got her done. 13, back end. That. That one does not, you don't want to break the plastic on this. But me. All right, that's good for me. All right, last little finishing touches. We're gonna put the little rubber stopper on, and that will keep everything from going up inside of there. We got our winch hook and our through pin. Now we're gonna put our little cotter pin in here, and boom, and we're gonna bend that guy around here. You know what, we're just gonna bend it with our hands. And that's all we need. Our little cool Can Am strap. I tell you what else I like to do, my little cheat here, is I also like to have, I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, so I like to hook these on here when we suck them in, that way it's not crazy. And I'll go ahead and do that now. There we go. And that way you never accidentally, because we always get these things stuck up in here, but that will do that for you. Okay, that's what I like to do. And then we're just going to take this, boom. Okay, I want to give a little shout out to some of the parts I'm using on my Outlander. So if you have not seen them, the frosted frog coolers, I love these things. Look at, they're all camo. They even make sure you don't put your kids in them. It's pretty cool. Far mudding, by far the best, most durable metal workers around here. Far mudding, you can get this any color you want. I do like their stuff. They even send you the cool little far mudding thing. I got the Moto drink holder. That's kind of nice. It's all adjustable. I do like the way we have the LED lights set up. Okay. Got the LEDs up underneath. Boom, boom. I do have the RJWC exhaust, which I'm digging. We have the Punisher. This is from Lucky 7. They do a pretty good job too. I like their stuff. Clutch wise, I upgraded to a Dalton clutch, which I did myself. Everybody's going to tell you need all these expensive clutches. Cool. I mean, let them do it. I am the debt finder out there on this beast, and we go through it all. So, I mean, I might not be racing, but we're full sending. I guarantee it. I'll put some footage on here. Hey, stay tuned, because next we have a seal coming off the main transmission where the four-wheel drive shaft joins. I had the shop work on it. They fixed the four-wheel drive all nice, but I got it back and now I'm leaking grease everywhere. So instead of sending it back, because I just shouldn't work on things myself, I am going to figure out how to replace that seal. I think it's gonna suck. So stay tuned and check it out. We got all kinds of mudding videos out there. We also do a lot of fishing and how to. We're out of Florida. Hey, thanks for checking us out.